came back in. Hey, yo.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southern Prairie County in central Arkansas, southeastern Lone Oak County in central Arkansas, north central Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, northwestern Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas until noon Central Daylight Time. At 11:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near England, or 19 miles north of Pine Bluff, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stuttgart, Humphrey, Humnoak, Brummett, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Allport, Tomberlin, Tucker, Ferda. The tornado warning for southeastern Pulaski County